Telecommunication once changed the face of worlds, and many tricks and codes made by hundreds of brilliants changed telecommunication throughout history. Morse code probably made one of the main breakthrough in this sphere, especially in the sphere of telegram. On 1820, Hans Christian Ørsted invented electromagnetism, which helped William Sturgeon to invent electromagnet on 1824. On 1837, William Cooke and Charles Wheatstone made the first telegram, which, till 1841, used electromagnets to encode messages. However, on 1841, American artist Samuel Morse, physicist Joseph Henry, and mechanical engineer Alfred Vail developed another kind of telegraph that needed only the electrical pulses and the silence between them to encode message. In this code, the measurement is a dot or dit, and the longer sound equal to 3 dots is called a dash or a dash. In electromagnet, there was different frequencies for different characters, but here it became a bit crafty. The silence of one dot indicates the gap between two codes of a character. For an example, A is made up of that dot dash. So, between the dot and dash, there is one dot of silence. A gap between two characters of a word is 3 dots or a dash, and a gap between two words equals to 7 dots. The code is made for English, but many languages use more than 26 alphabets. The code was made for those also. Mostly they are just translation of the existing one and a bit change in the codes. This means that there is an American Morse, an international Morse, and a Greek Morse, and some other Morses which is not used. One can easily learn the Morse code as it didn't fall from the sky. Supposedly, A is dot dash in Morse. Dot is the upper edge of A, while dash is the bridge between the two leg bases. Same explanations for B, C, D to Z. If you look carefully in the chart of Morse code, you'll see that E is dot in Morse and T is dash. This doesn't go with the character, especially with E. Why are they like this? Well, they are like this because Morse code is made up for E's. The letters E and T are the most used alphabets. Check if you don't believe me. So, to make it easy for both the decoder and the encoder, they're like this, the easiest way. Morse codes could be used anyhow. Sound waves, light waves, electric pulses, and all other mediums could be used for encoding in Morse. And it is not a war code, so don't try and don't use it when you are sending some very special message. Telegraph reached its peak using Morse code, though not any war code or code that can change everything. It is very important, and the modern 1-0 theory, that means 1-0 language of computer, is a bit like the Morse code, only it is a number. Whatever. Thank you for watching. We'll owe you if you subscribe us.